Let me put the first question to Alejandro. You've put so much time into Formula E. And actually, let me ask you guys to step forwards into the light. You've put so much time into Formula E. Does this film accomplish things you were hoping it would?
Well, yes, well, hello everyone. It's great to be here. Thank you so much for inviting us to Toronto. This is a fantastic city. And actually, to this day, we're now in our memory because here we did the world premiere of this movie. But you know what I feel when I see this movie is, well, I'm very happy. Because many people told us that Formula E was going to fail. When we started the idea of Formula E, no one believed in Formula E. Only a few of us that were in Formula E, and me, I had my days, thought we were going to make it. And by watching this movie, looks like we made it. So, yeah, it's great. Yeah, I just want to thank Fisher, Malcolm, Leo, the drivers, everyone that was working in the movie, because it's been a fantastic and great ride and so much fun to spend so much time together. We miss so much these guys. These drivers can tell you they used to be with us all the time in the races, and now they're doing other movies. That's what they do. And yeah, we miss you guys. Thank you.
I want to turn to Nelson, Sam, and Jean-Marc. We feel so close to you in this film. Nelson, can I start with you? What do you see when you watch this film?
It's a weird feeling. I mean, sitting over there, seeing your face and seeing your emotions going through the camera and remembering back a year ago, 2 years ago, something like that, things you went through, sometimes it's even harder to look at, or the emotions are weird because I remember going through those emotions. Sometimes you don't remember how bad it were, or how tough they were. Because everybody, I mean, all these seasons you go ups and downs. I won the first World Championship in Formula E season 1. Then there's highs, there's lows. Everybody goes through the roller coaster of emotions. And when you're sitting over there and watching you kind of putting it out there, it's I don't know, it's unnatural, And we're not acting. I mean, that was our real ourselves and what's going on, reading the race weekends, and yeah, it's obviously season 4 was Jeb's and 5th, so it was great to see him over there, ups and downs. Like he even had that in the season, But it's hard for us to be over there and seeing all these things. It's just, even when sitting over there from the beginning to the end, we feel weird, It's hard to explain it.
Sam, let me ask you a different question. We see in the film that Formula E is still emerging. It doesn't always get the respect that it deserves, and I wonder how you feel being in a Formula E driver.
Firstly, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you. I mean, for myself, I've been a part of Formula E since the very, very beginning. One of the only drivers that's taken part in every single race, and I think the best word to describe it is pride. I'm awfully proud of what we've been able to achieve in the series' very short lifespan so far. We are 5 seasons in, and we've got a film at the Toronto Film Festival. No other series. So it's really people will look back at these first 5 seasons, and in 40, 50 years' time, the technology that we use right now will be antique. But right now, we're just the beginning. You look at your mobile phones in your pockets. You look at where they were 10 years ago, and look at where they are today. It's the same with the technology in Formula E cars. We're advancing at such a high rate now, and the technology that we're using is going into the production lines, and we're making the change for all the manufacturers to make better electric vehicles for tomorrow. So it is an awful sense of pride that I get watching this and being a part of this series.
Jeb, as Nelson referred to, the 2019 season, you also came out on top. Congratulations for that. Picking up on what Sam was saying about the technology, I wonder if you can reflect on how the technology maybe has moved even from 2018 to what we saw then to 2019.
Well, absolutely. First of all, hi everybody. I don't know what you guys feel, but I feel like on the podium, after winning a race. So I absolutely love it.
You're all winners this time.
I know, but it's nice to be an actor as well. So hopefully we can have more these fishers. Right. And to answer your question, and to continue on what Sam was saying, just to give you a very clear example. I'm pretty sure, not everybody from you probably knew Formula E now. You know what Formula E is, but everybody knows Formula One. And Formula E is what Formula One was 20 years ago, as a journalist was saying rightly in an interview, was saying that Formula One was the incubator for all the new technologies that went into Euro cars. And that's what Formula E we are doing today. We develop all the new technologies that you're going to have in your city, in Toronto in the next couple of years, being on the electric cars. And that's thanks to Formula E, everything that we find. I don't know, I hope that answers your question about the technology and what we do in Formula E.
You. Fisher and Malcolm, you're watching the film tonight for the first time with an audience. What were you reflecting on as the way this film has come together since you've been editing up until just a few weeks ago? Right?
It's very emotional for me. Also, I really miss these guys and this world. It was a world I knew nothing about, and it was really an incredible ride to work with Malcolm. And I love the music. I love the sound. It's just like to hear it in here, and I was kind of blown away. I love this space, this theater. It sounded great, and sharing it with people who are from the public. I didn't have to invite everybody. It was incredible. Like, strangers seeing your film is an exciting experience, and you guys were a great audience. So I was really glad. A couple things I would have maybe trimmed now.
I think for me, working with Fisher it was an amazing experience because we worked together. I directed Fisher in an independent movie, and watching Fisher infiltrate the driver's world as an actor was just brilliant. Seeing him kind of dance around. Racing drivers are very strange creatures. They're built for speed, and they're built for winning, and nothing else is interesting to them. And getting near them is very close, and Fisher was incredible the way he drew them into the orbit of the film. And also when we met the drivers the first time, Fisher had never even been involved in motor racing, nor had I, but Fisher saw Jean-Eric Vergne walking around the paddock, and he went, let's follow him. And he won the championship. I can't work it out.
Yeah. Alejandro, I paid quite a bit of money for that. Well, I do want to say that these three people in particular on the stage, and Lucas, they were sort of cast because I felt, and along with Andre, that they were like movie stars to me. And I cast a lot of movies, and I picked them, and then it was a matter of, like Malcolm says, it's like gaining their trust and digging in. And these guys really opened up to me, and I was so grateful. I mean, we could have kept going. We had a lot more footage, but it's so important that you get a real essence and a sense of the person. And we were so lucky to have these particular people willing to show us and you who they are and let me infiltrate their life. I mean, we were waiting for Jeff to wake up. Literally, he said, take the key if you want to come in with your family, do it. So
Actually, everybody think it was makeup.
no, we like snuck in. We didn't wait.
I mean, you waited to hear my ringtone to come.
Yeah, because we knew when the alarm was set for it. We snuck in. Thank God he was alone. That was a rare morning. Anyway, so it was but it was wonderful to have that intimacy, and then to have Alejandro give us the access and also let me into his living room and have him smoke 16 cigars. Very good cigars. So, yeah, take it to know. But it was a really wonderful experience, and I miss it. And we'll do another something.
All right, let's bring up the house lights a little bit. I want to get question in. See someone waiting with his phone, so you win for ingenuity. Stand up. Short question, please.
It was really nice to see the Pope blessing the electric car. Did he bless bless your movie?
Did the Pope bless your movie the way he blessed
That was an actor. That was Joey Pantoliano. Fantastic. No, can we get him to bless the movie, please? I gotta get him to see the movie.
I'm sure Alejandro's got that covered.
I mean, the Pope loves Formula E. I mean, we are the only car he ever blessed. It was probably the best day of the history of Formula E when we got the Pope. All these guys came and we met the Pope. It was incredible. So I'm sure we have some connection down there with the high end.
Okay, looking for hands. Okay, right here, sir.
John, we all were rooting for Formula E and we clapped when we heard that you applied for Formula 1. Can you explain why?
So the question to Jeff is, everyone here clapped when you see in the cards that you declined Formula 1. Can you talk more about that decision?
Well, that really warmed our heart, actually. Thanks, thanks for this. Well, the reason is because it was not in the top team, and I have the feeling that I'm in the best Formula E team, that I could keep, doing what I was doing, meaning winning and trying to win more championships, which I've done this season, and it was definitely the right call. And I'd much rather write the history book of a sport like Formula E, which is, I'm sure, going to get bigger than Formula 1, than just being one of the Formula 1 drivers and just fit the grid of driver and be meaningless. And at least we're racing as well to raise awareness on electric vehicles and new technology. And there is a lot more than just being a racing driver in that series, and I also love it.
So the question is, can you get Formula E to Toronto?
You have been in the IndyCar race, you have already a city track, we can use that same one. So yeah, let's work on it.
Okay, who's got a hand? Right here, yeah.
The film was fantastic. I learned so much. I've actually taken the Formula 2000 course, so I look forward to a Formula E too. But my question is for the drivers. Has it made you more conscious, in your home life about being environmentally friendly and
Question for the drivers is, has being a Formula E driver made you more conscious in your home life about environmental concerns, and if you could explain how?
Yeah, I mean, I think obviously past 5 years we've learned so much on how much emissions we've caused. I mean, our natural life cause, from cars to transportation to everything else involved, and obviously we are in the middle of this topic, since 5 years. So we learned so much about it. So obviously, I think it's more the education we had that we before these 5 years they were forming.
Can you fix the Brazilian government?
Couple decades, I would say. But yeah, I would say obviously we've learned a lot. We've learned a lot, and I mean, even the way we drive. I mean, I'm sure I don't know about them, but even when you're in the highway, I mean, we don't go full throttle straight away, or we know how to be more efficient. But
We don't wait too long, right?
I think in general, I mean, we think about things, obviously, it's in the back of our mind. I mean, there's a lot of things we cannot change from, I think technology is going to help everybody be more cleaner, living a better quality life. But for sure, we've learned so much in these past 5 years that it's hard just to describe in an interview, but I mean, maybe they can elaborate a little bit more, but for sure it makes us much more aware on everything that we do, how much better we can be, how much cleaner we can be, and how better quality, especially in big towns like Toronto, with the amount of cars and transportation that can be changed and can be evolved.
Yeah, I mean, for myself, when I was doing other series 5 years ago, I just thought of the environmental issues as other people's problems, other people's issues, and it's not. Now I'm directly involved in something that is trying to promote cleaner living and trying to help the environment. And it is my responsibility, and it is your responsibility, and it's everybody's responsibility. So yeah, I think I'm more conscious of it now. From doing little bits around the home to trying to beat this guy every year. Every little bit helps. But the winning is nice.
Well, I'm French, so I don't think I can explain better what Sam just said. I think exactly the same way. And I think it's good also that Fisher and Leo DiCaprio had this idea about this movie, because I remember the first time I was really hit by it and raised my consciousness was when I saw your movie with Leo about Before the Flood. And that was an amazing thing that really opened my eyes and what we can all do. And I'm very happy to be part of what you've done about Formula E.
We have to wrap up here. You're the first audience in the world to see this film. You can vote.